We rolling?
Rolling.
Seconds, and we're gonna wrap our wieners.
Go.
Oh hey, everybody! I didn't know we were doing this today. Good to see ya. Psych! We know what's going on. Today, rocking and rolling. Sunday nighter. We got San Fran, Indianapolis. San Fran, we already did Mission Burrito. Go check it out. Absolutely phenomenal. Indianapolis, what are they known for? Car tires. Nobody wants to see the damn car tire. So we're gonna go tailgate special today. What we're rolling with here? Queso Dip. Going on the smoker. We got some Velveeta cheese, some Monterey Jack with some jalapenos. We're also gonna do some wieners in a blanket. That's right, we're gonna play with our wieners. But not like that. Keep it PG, people. Gonna wrap it up. We're gonna get rolling. First thing we're gonna do, ground pork. All it is ground pork, which we got locally cut here with some sizzle and smoke seasoning and some of this magic, which is just dehydrated hot peppers. That's it. Chucking her on in there. One tomato, about a medium-sized tomato, diced on up. Take out all the insides, all the juice. We don't need that in there. One medium onion, it's going in there. One hot pepper. We need some spice. Rock and roll with that. We're gonna mix in about 3/4 cup whipping cream. And of course, gotta have it on top, the sizzle and smoke seasoning. We're gonna take this bad boy just like that. We're gonna slap it onto the smoker for about, it's gonna go about an hour. We're gonna start her at 225. The dog's fired up. We're fired up. Rocking and rolling. We're gonna go. We're gonna come back in a couple seconds and we're gonna wrap our wieners.
All right, we're back under protest.
There's no protest. We're wrapping our wieners, guys. Pigs in a blanket, never had it, they're fantastic. So I got these ones done up, I'll show you how to do it. All you do is take a crescent roll package here. You chuck your wiener in there. You put a pickle, piece of cheese string. Stole from my kid's lunch today, he's gonna be pissed. He'll be all right. Wrap her up, boom. Take the Holy Trinity right there. Best seasoning going, sizzle and smoke. Dress it all over. Boom.
There's no way this one's gonna turn out, folks. Like, you know, as a trained French cook here, to see pigs in a blanket, I mean.
The key is right here. Harvest wieners. You can only use harvest. Local here to Saskatchewan, done just down the road in Yorkton. They're fantastic.
All right, now you're making a comeback.
Even so good, you eat it raw.
This is a challenge. If he can make this taste good, I'm telling you. Like,
You can make anything taste good.
and maybe the smoker might do some magic. But
Well, we're gonna roll it at about 350 these because you got to get the croissant cooked, the dough, right? So it's gonna get a little bit of the smoke flavor, but it's not gonna get a whole ton of it. But they're just gonna be fantastic.
And so far, I vouch for every single recipe that's been on Sizzle and Smoke. You can try any one of them. They're absolutely delicious. This is the gauntlet.
The best about these bad boys right here, when you're tailgating, you're gonna be half inebriated. It's gonna taste good no matter what, right? So
There we go.
Go check out some of our other videos: how to make a Caesar, how to make a proper rye, how to make some other special drinks. They're gonna be coming up. You'll see. And then have these bad boys. Fantastic. Nah, close, but not quite. Windy day. Got the pumpkin flying up there like crazy. Let's get these piggies on. We've got the grill rolling at 355. Why? Just because I wanted to go with 355. Put them in there. Let them roll. Look at the queso dip. She's getting ooey and gooey. Let's give her a stir. Cool boy. I can taste it already. Beautiful. Look at this. All right. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. We'll give that reposition. And away we go. Let her go for another half an hour. See what happens. Love it.
Dana Boone.
It's cold, my nipples. We got her all done. Our piggies are wrapped and cooked and nicely. Queso dip's almost done. We're just going to add a little bit of parsley to her. Give her a quick stirring. Let her sit for a minute. That's fantastic. There you go. Queso dip. Velveeta Monterey Jack with some jalapenos and a little hot pepper, onion, tomato, a little cream, rock and roll.
That's a good tailgate. That's a good tailgate party one Sunday.
Cold ones right here. It's nice and hot. Good for the insides. I wrapped up wieners. Straight off the smoker. They look beautiful. What did we learn?
Those look better. Those look better than I ever expected, to be honest with you.
And what did we learn from the Big Mac?
You tell me.
Hot pickles.
Oh, yeah.
Pickles are in wrapped with the wieners. Cooked all in there again. So they're perfect. So
hot pickles is a thing.
we're going to try one of these bad boys. I'm going to take this guy. Hot. Oh.
Yeah, that's hot. That's hot pickles. maybe cut into them. You know, let them cool a little bit.
Nope.
Was that the dip?
I love it.
Oh, look at that dip. I gotta eat.
Put one in you. Sorry.
You couldn't see it, but I opened up my eyes really wide because that's an eye popper. It's in the plums. That's in the plums. I highly recommend that one.
I'm flabbergasted by that. I knew they were good. Those were really good. They're great. This bad boy, well, it's cheesy, meaty. You know it's going to be excellent.
But a lot of people probably never made that before.
You get it all, like, who is that? Freaking the Tostitos has those little jars of queso. You buy it at the stores all the time.
Yeah. But it's not hot and delicious.
No, it is. Make it yourself. Changes the game every time.
Well, that's some good tailgating food there.
Time to feed the monster.
Sizzle and smoking. We're heading over to my place for
More tailgates.
more tailgate and another dip. You don't want to miss it. It's got bacon.
Look at that.
Got
Beautiful.
cheese. Pigs in a blanket.
There you go, folks. Like us, subscribe to us, love us, hate us. Don't matter.
20 more subscribers, we can name the channel, so appreciate it.
We'll let you name it.
Or don't.
No, we won't.
Ketchup. All right, 10-second quick follow-up because I doubted these pigs in a blanket so harshly. On a smoker, they are delicious. The smoky flavor, I mean, I'm quite shocked that this would be a winner. Kids would probably really love it. It'll have you laid out.
She had 3.
Yeah, she had 3 hit the floor.